Hello guys, and welcome back to another distro review on Linux Daily. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Ubuntu Budgie. I'm going to go ahead and install. I don't need any of that. And I'm going to erase disk and install. Click continue. And pick where I am. Go ahead and select. Now I'm going to enter my name. This is a very similar install of Ubuntu with the Unity desktop. Type in a very secure password. And that all checks out. I'm not going to encrypt my home folder. I'm going to click continue. After this, it should just be copying files and running the install, so I'll just skip ahead because this might take a while. Alright, it looks like the installation is complete. We are going to restart. Give it a moment. It's not letting me press enter. I'm just going to reset. Hopefully that didn't corrupt anything. Alright, it's booting up for us here. Alright, we are being greeted by the light DM splash screen here of it's our lock screen. We're going to type in our very secure password to access. Alright, this is the Budgie desktop environment. Alright, we are going to customize it just a little. Probably just change the desktop background. What is going on here? I don't want to see this. Alright, get that off the screen. We could add a new panel. Not sure what all this is about. Oh, it added something down here. So we could customize it with that. We could, there we go. We could have applications that automatically start. Let's say if I want Solitaire to auto start when you log in. That's nice. This is where we could change our themes and animations. I quite like that. That looks, as you see, is changing the top. That looks a bit aged. I'm just going to keep it like this. Remind me later. See what the terminal looks like. To run a command as an administrator, user root uses sudo command. I already know that. See if the terminal is just as customizable. That didn't work. Ooh, that's a nice feature. You could save your output, it looks like, and then reopen. Alright, I'm not quite sure how to do it. I'm not used to this tilex terminal, I'm used to the one that comes on Elementary OS, and in console that's on Manjaro KDE. We get LibreOffice pre-installed. We get webcam and various other sound and video applications. Alright, let's change a desktop background. Double click that. I'm gonna pick this background, and then this one with the clock for my lock screen. This is the system settings. You could also probably customize it a little bit in here as well. Alright, that just about does it for this quick look at Ubuntu Budgie. This is built off Ubuntu 17.10. It just includes the Budgie desktop environment. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and also comment which distro you want me to review next.